Welcome to Rider Fusion. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting adventure bikes of 2025, the Honda CRF1100L Africa Twin. If you're an ADV enthusiast, this one's for you. Let's get started. The Africa Twin has been a dominant name in adventure motorcycling for decades. The 2025 model continues this legacy, blending rugged off-road capabilities with cutting-edge technology. New upgrades and features. For 2025, Honda has refined the Africa Twin with an upgraded parallel twin engine, now producing even more torque for superior off-road performance. The chassis has been slightly tweaked for better handling, and the electronics package now includes an advanced traction control system and updated ride modes. Tech and comfort enhancements. Tech lovers will appreciate the updated 7-inch TFT touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Cruise control now comes as standard, and the redesigned windscreen improves aerodynamics for long-haul comfort. Honda continues to offer the Africa Twin in both manual and dual-clutch transmission (DCT) versions. Whether you love the traditional feel of a clutch or prefer the seamless gear shifts of the DCT, there's an option for you. Pricing and final thoughts. Starting at an expected price of around $15,000, the 2025 Africa Twin remains a solid competitor in the adventure bike segment. It's powerful, versatile, and now more refined than ever. So, is this the ultimate ADV machine for you? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more motorcycle content. This is Rider Fusion. See you on the next ride.